Waterfront views. Isn't that what Florida's all about? Today, I've got this beautiful waterfront right here in Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Let's go. Welcome in. I have this beautiful Antigua. I can't wait to give you a tour. Let's go. Beautiful kitchen with this high-end quartz. It leads right into your open living space. And this open living space is so expansive. You've got a wall of sliders, you've got the beautiful detail here, and the beach. And it's got a little something special. You've got a little divider for those grands. Tray ceiling in this main ensuite, but the bonus is that water. 2 bed, 2 bath for those guests, big or small. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on beautiful deals like this one.